Hello guys, in this video I am going to teach you how to buy Volt Inu Coin. So guys, if you have Coin Market App or Coin Gecko, you can search for Volt or Volt Inu. So guys, in 24 hours, Volt Inu pumped 3.98%. In 7 days, Volt Inu pumped 12.41%. So guys, if you search for Volt on Coin Market App, you click on markets, you will see a list of crypto exchange and decentralized exchange where you can buy Volt Inu. If you click on about, you will see the contract address for Volt Inu. You can buy Volt Inu using Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, and Polygon Chain. So guys, you can also read on Coin Market App what Volt Inu is all about. You can read about this. If you click on website, it will take you directly to Volt Inu's website. Volt Inu, the people's crypto. Volt Inu is an ecosystem aimed at becoming a one-stop shop offering DeFi products while bringing profits back to the native token. So guys, you can check out the ecosystem. Volt Chain is our DEX, automatically listing and making any Uniswap or PancakeSwap project. So guys, you can check this out. If you click on this, it will take you to the DEX for Volt Inu. So guys, you can swap coins using the DEX. Okay, VDSC is our NFT collection that will give you access to gaming integration and exclusive rights and revenues. So guys, if you click on this, it will take you to the NFT section. So guys, you can buy NFTs, but you can read about this very well before you make any move. So guys, this is gaming on Volt Inu. So guys, you can check out the ecosystem. So guys, if you want to buy Volt Inu, you can buy Volt Inu directly on Trust Wallet. Make sure you have BNB. So guys, this is my Trust Wallet. You click on swap. You can swap BNB to buy Volt Inu. You can also buy Volt Inu on PancakeSwap. You click on Discover, you click on DEX, you click on PancakeSwap. So guys, make sure you have BNB. You swap BNB to buy Volt Inu. So guys, don't forget this. You can buy Volt Inu on Gate.io crypto exchange. So guys, if you have USDT, you can buy Volt Inu on Gate.io crypto exchange. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.